Nature has a rule that the most expensive things in our life are free and irreplaceable, like our body, our emotions, our parents, our children, our relationships. But we break that rule daily by overworking from our body, or by ignoring the emotions, by postponing taking care of relationship and our parents, by ignoring childhood of our children. When we break the rule, nature reminds us. That's why I want to say you one thing: the health issues, emotional stress, conflict in relationships are not the problems. These are the reminder or the signals from the nature and from that higher energy. It is reminding you, or he is reminding you, that value that most important things which you can't buy from money. Once it will gone, you can't do anything. Your car, you can buy it again. Your house, you can rebuild it again. But once your body will break, you will get health issue. Money can't help you. Once your parents gone, you can't get them, you can't meet them again by using that money. Once your child cross their childhood, they move into adult phase, you can't enjoy that childhood phase. So respect the God gift. Thank you.